acquired. It's very rare. It's the Peugeot RCZ diesel HDI. Absolutely lovely condition. It's got the front park distance control, gleaming black metallic, unmarked shadow chrome alloy wheels. We do have some brand new centre caps coming for that to set it off. Absolutely gleaming. It's got the rear park distance control, twin exhausts, spoiler here that comes up, retractable. It also has a carbon roof. I believe a wrap that is, to be fair. It's got electric mirrors, electric windows, has full leather seats with Peugeot logo embossed, heated seats, electric memory seats. Has got a little specifications along with that because that's not usually extras. They are. Retractable media screen there with sat nav, climate control. That's all blowing nice and cold. It's a 96,463 miles. 6-speed gearbox. Button to do the rear spoiler. I'll do that so you can see it. Got a little armrest here. Obviously got 2 seats in the back. Cruise control. JBL speaker system. Spoiler that comes up. Great value for money. DJ's with full dealer facilities include finance, warranty and part exchange.